I will. Drink it.
And
Yes, you need to drink it.
things are right there.
You need to drink it, Vera. Okay. This is when we're gonna use a syringe.
A syringe.
Come here. Stand up. Stand up. Have a good day, and we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. I'm falling down to the
Vera, say amen.
Amen.
Thank you. So we are not better, just in case you were wondering. I am. I've been good since Sunday. You want milk? Okay. Let me get some milk. I'll be back. So we are not better. I have been better, yes. Like I said, Cameron has gotten worse. He stayed home from work yesterday, and he was in bed all day. He's been really sick. It's come back. He's throwing up, and he has diarrhea, and Derek is still doing, he's taking his medicine, but he is doing better. He's not sleeping all day. And Vera, she got a cold, and now I just gave her medicine a little bit ago, and her breath just smells sick. You know how you just know when your kids are sick because of the way they smell. They smell dehydrated, or I don't know why they get that smell from their mouths. But so she's sick now, and it's been a week, guys. Today's Thursday. Last Thursday is when it started with Vera, and it's just not going away. I'm so tired. I know I'm making this about me, and I'm not even the one that's sick, but it's so exhausting having everybody in the house sick, and it's moving our schedules around. And like I said, Daddy didn't go to work yesterday. That was just so weird. I felt like I couldn't do our daily stuff, and I'm used to always having dinner ready at 5, but no, someone's always taking a nap at that time, so we eat at like 6, and that's super late for us. I don't like eating late like that. And oh my goodness, so I'm just ready to get back to not being sick. What's the matter? You can't poke through your French toast sticks? Okay, I will help you. But hopefully this will go away soon. And I think Aria is teething. Baby girl, are you teething? Okay. So Okay, this baby girl just woke up from a nap, and I brought her over here because the kids are playing. And I'm just sitting here, and I was gonna feed her, and her mouth was kind of open, and I see that she's super swollen, and like the corner of her first tooth is coming through. Huh. Yeah, you guys see that? I don't know if you can. Just a little like white dot, but it's coming through. It's so swollen right now. I knew she was teething. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, you gotta do that. It's very swollen. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's so tall, buddy.
Yeah. It's messy.
But anyway, that's exciting, baby girl.
No.
Oh, we can just put it back together, okay?
We're having an ice cream banana squirt. We should make some. We should make some today.
Okay. What's squirt though?
Because
Ice cream with banana and squirt instead of root beer? Nom, 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 nom. Sounds good, bud. Thank you so much for making this. Are we pretending?
yeah.
What is Aria doing?
Hey,
I gotta show you what she's doing.
that one says 9.
What are you doing, baby girl?
Yeah, we only have like 3.
You're so funny.
Look over here. Oh no, she ripped. That's okay. And now we go put these back.
Don't eat it. We're at the library right now, and there's a storm outside. You guys have to see this. It's so crazy out there.
There's water.
There's water coming through.
Oh, that's not good.
Okay, let's hurry. Go find your movies. And they're about to close the library too, so we will have to get out very soon and get in the van really fast because it's coming down hard. Oh, Chiquita, you got wet when we got out. That was so crazy. There's the door to the library, and we're right here, and we're soaked. Poor Aria. That's dangerous. We should not be out here.
That's just
There's
water.
drains over there. There's so much water coming out. All of them. You see them? That is crazy. Hold on, I need my seatbelt on. I mean, the inside of the library right there is just flooded.
Yeah.
It's way
She's putting
crazy.
paper towels then.
Okay. There it is. There's the...
Flash flood warning. Everybody's.
This is a flash flood.
Yeah.
I know we had some last year, but we never experienced them. I think both times we were in California. But that was crazy. You could see how it already went past us. I don't know. Yeah, the darkness is over there now.
These kinds of storms, they come like crazy fast and they hit hard.
Yeah.
Now it's time to go do donuts.
No, honey. Oh, God.
Oh, tell them about the library. I went in to the library.
Because it started raining right before we got out of the van to get in there, right? And so we're running in, and Cameron's like,
that street sign.
oh my goodness, look at that, it fell off. But anyway, we're running in, and Cameron's like, it's raining apples, or what did you say?
It's something, apples.
But you said it so
Raindrops are the
loud,
size of apples.
just like that, in the library.
The lady's like, we were the only ones in there, but
if there were people,
books were falling over as we were walking in because the wind. It was nuts. never driving right in like.
Please drive slowly.
Look, I'm going.
It's way crazy out here.
Look, it's like soap. You know what all that is? That white stuff?
What?
Oil.
Ooh.
It's oil.
What?
Yes.
All that white stuff. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding. That is oil, honey. If it hasn't rained in a while, this is what happens first. Every first rain, oil.
Oh.
And it always looks white like that. You never seen that?
No, I have not.
It looks like snow or something.
But yeah, it has not rained in a long time.
Okay, look it. Here. Let me help you.
So we're at McDonald's because we didn't use all of our coupons to get ice cream. And we came to a different one because I always want to come here after taking the kids to story time.
Honey, yours is going there.
But I'm eating it. But
show them that.
I don't dare come here for the first time by myself with all 3 kids.
Derek, show them that.
Oh, okay. This is a little playground. And it's for little kids, for our little kids, which is good. So they gotta eat their ice cream first, though, okay?
They said.
No, that means that I have to eat their ice cream.
Yeah.
Because they're not fast enough. And it's melting all over the place. I remember my dad saying, "You guys aren't fast enough. You gotta eat your ice cream." And I'm going, "What?" He's like the fastest eater ever. And still is. But anyway, so I'm like trying to say the same things to these kids because you guys need to eat faster. It's melting all over the place. Right?
Yeah.
Gotta lick around it. Okay? There. Okay. Let's go. Well, oh, you're so dizzy now. You don't know how to walk. Oh, this is like I'm like super crunched down in here. Good girl. It's dark down here. Where's Vera? There she is. It's so funny to watch these kids go through there. They're like hamsters running around. Derek's like, "Come on, Chica." Hi, Vera. Hi. Derek, the wood's all wet now. We can't build a fire with that.
No.
Out here listening to the rain. Huh.
And
We can actually be outside without burning.
Oh my God.
It's 71 degrees out here. And it's freezing.
No, it's not freezing.
No, it's not freezing because it has a little bit of humidity, as you can see.
Daddy, come here. Come here. Look, there's light right there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. It's super
She
close.
says lightning. All right, Vera, here we go. Into the rain. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Wow. The storm. Oh, I love the rain. She loves it.
Firework time. Okay, you just watch. Okay? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Look at the fireworks. It's not dark enough. Ooh.